to do a boat pose. So you may have seen a boat pose in yoga. This is a great ab exercise. It's more of an advanced exercise, but I'll take you through a few moderate variations as well. So for the boat pose, you want to start by sitting up nice and tall. You're going to make a V with your body. So sternum is lifted, chest is up, and abs are nice and tight. And you're going to be balancing on your sacrum here. So if you can, you want to straighten your legs. Arms are going to come out to the side for balance. Keep your head nice and neutral, neck lifted, and a straight line. So you're really trying to make that V. And over time, you'll work on holding that boat pose for longer and longer periods of time. If you need, as you begin, you can start by having your feet on the ground, keep your chest up, and start your boat pose here. Then we can lift your legs, and finally, straight legs would be the most challenging, most advanced. And that is a boat pose.